Hi, my name is Michael. I'm the mechanic and I'm using BIZOL products. Today I will show you why you should clean the engine before each oil change. Motor oil has several functions. Primarily it lubricates and cools the engine. Another function of the oil is corrosion protection and also cleaning. Unfortunately, over time, the oil loses its properties, which favors the formation of a large amount of carbon deposits and sludge. I mean, for example, the piston and piston rings. The problem is that carbon buildup in the piston rings can block them, causing the engine to lose compression and burn oil, and regular cleaning of the oil system prevents this problem. A clean oil system means more power and less oil consumption. Today I will show you a simple test. Our test car is Suzuki Swift 1.3 twin cam, in which we will measure the compression before and after the cleaning.
To check the effects of BIZOL Oil System Clean+90, we will check the compression pressure in individual cylinders before cleaning. As you can see, the Suzuki engine that ended up in my workshop has poor compression. Compression in this engine model should be around 11 bar and is on the first cylinder 8, on the second 6, on the third 8 and on the fourth 7. Now pour BIZOL Oil System Clean+90 into the oil. We always add this product to the old engine oil and run the engine for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the additive mixes with the old oil and flushes all deposits away from the oil channels, hydraulic tappets, variable valve timing and other engine components. After 15 minutes, drain the old oil. After using BIZOL Oil System Clean+90, the oil is very contaminated because all sediments from the inside of the engine got into it. After cleaning the engine, I will measure the compression pressure again. On the first cylinder, we have 10.5, on the second 9, on the third and fourth 9.5 bar.
As you can see in my test, cleaning the oil system increases the compression in the engine. My experience suggests that the oil system must be cleaned before each oil change.
In the case of our car, oil system cleaning solved the problem of oil burning and smoking. The engine runs smoother, quieter and has more power,